Hi, I'm Naomi Ellis, and I'm going to show you how to use the pick glass that came with your swatch kit. So this is what the pick glass looks like. I'm going to use swatch number 1, the denim, and I also have a sewing needle. You can use any needle or a paper clip, a safety pin, a sewing pin, anything like that. It's just going to kind of help you count as you're going through. So open up the pick glass. And you're just going to flip it open like that, and then you can just set it on the table right in front of you. Now you'll notice that the pick glass here, this is 1 inch by 1 inch, so it's already telling you the area that you need to count. So you're first going to count along the top of the swatch, here, and then you're going to count along the side. So you're going to get one number and then the second number. So I lay my swatch down, and I put this right on top just like that. I want to make sure that I'm in a really well-lit room so that I can make sure that I can count every single individual little strand. If I'm having trouble identifying the strands, I can kind of pull off a little bit on the warp and the weft, and then I can really see all the little ends along the top and the side. So the ones that I count along this side right here, those would be the warp yarns. That's going to be the first number. The ones I count along the side here, those are the weft yarns, and so that will be the second number. I'm going to count each individual yarn. So see, if I pull these two out, those are 3 that I would count if I was going to start right there on the edge. I'm just going to lay it down like this, put this right on top, and then I'm going to count individually. 1, 2, but I can't count from that far away. You want to get really close in there, like you're looking in a microscope, and count each individual strand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way down, and you'll see that in this, from here to here, end to end, I have 48 in the weft, and I have 61 across the top here. There's almost always going to be more along the top of the swatch here than the side. That's because, remember, there's more ends in the warp than there are in the weft. So the answer I would write down for this swatch would be 61 by 48. There are 61 yarns up here at the top and 48 along the side in the 1 by 1 swatch of the pick glass. I hope that helps. Let me know.